Hello there! So today we're painting this octopus-like creature in 10 simple steps. Step 1. Taping down your paper. This is important in order to keep your watercolor paper from wrapping or buckling, which could lead to paint puddles. Step 2. Select your colors. It's smart to think ahead so all your troubleshooting work has been done before you even get started. Step 3. Underpainting. Keep your work an overall temperature. This goes together with your color selection. Step 4. Main shapes. Once your underpainting is dry and ready for a new layer, you will start to lay down your local colors. Step 5. Give it some volume. Once the main shapes are set, then start rounding your shapes and giving some dimension to your design. So this means trying to make it pop out of the paper or give it some structure. Step 6. Shadows. Once some volume has been set, push it even further by adding some dark sections where the shadows should be. Just add some dark pigment to it so that you can push it even further. Step 7. Details. So yeah, now you're ready to focus on the little portions of your design. So make sure you take enough time so that the key features are there. Step 8. Soften. Smooth transitions are key. Don't just lay colors next to each other and make sure that there is a smooth transition between them. Step 9. Remove tape. Heat the tape up with a hairdryer or a heat gun if you have one. This will soften up the glue and make it easier to remove. Pull away from your design. You don't want it to get damaged. Step 10. Get your IG shot. Get your composition right and get your final snap. And of course, make sure you follow me on social media. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And of course, like and subscribe.